Alright, so we've just left Vegas, just been doing the Old Town, we check that out, and we are heading at lunch before going off to the Hoover Dam. Excited for a bit more sightseeing again, see some epic. That's the sucker. Big ass bridge. It's a pretty interesting looking pylon. It's driving across the top of the Hoover Dam. Just casually.
Just casually.
Yeah. That's a long way down there.
Damn, son.
This is serious. That's a spillway just down there, so I'm going to see if the water level gets like a crap ton higher, because they're in huge drought right now. You can see the water line around the top of the, just below the roadway there. But yeah, if it comes up over the top of that gate, then it's straight down the spillway, past the dam. It is really warm, like really, really warm. There's this wind blowing and it's hot, dry wind. It's insane. It's so crazy to see the water down this low way. Look at that water line. It's pretty obvious where it is. Yeah. It's good. Yeah, exactly. That's a pretty good indicator. You can see the little boat in the middle there. The stairs only come out halfway down to it. Holy moly. Check it out. Yep, that's down the side of the Hoover Dam. That's quite a big power station down there. Oh, she's pretty big. You can see one of the penstocks there.
My body is sweating. Hands, fingers, eyes.
Yeah, my eye holes are sweaty as.
Whatever you describe. It's alright. It's nice to be out of the sun.
Yeah. Nah, this is us, bro.
Not allowed now.
Into a mighty resource, thereby enhancing the lives of all inhabitants of the great Southwest.
Oh, it's finished.
Jeez Louise, that was long.
All American. Pretty fancy toilets. It's on the side of the Hoover Dam. And the dam wall.
How's it going, mate?
Oh, pretty good, man. We just stopped in the middle of nowhere. I think it's called Railroad Casino or something.
Yeah.
Just out of Boulder. And
Kind of near the Hoover Dam.
yeah, we just stopped in there because there was air conditioning and we were really hot. And we played blackjack for the first time on the table.
First time on the table with dealer and stuff. Came out quite well.
I paid for my dinner. I paid for my $10 dinner.
Yeah.
So it was all good. Made $10.
Yeah. And I managed to pay for my hotel bill in Vegas.
And look, nice sunset.
And look at the sunset.
I'll zoom into the sunset. Oh
wow.
Sweet. Dude just showed up on a Harley with no helmet on. I don't know why that's cool, but for some reason that's kind of cool. Just because you can, I suppose. I mean, it's pretty stupid if you want to get your face peeled out there. You do that. It's a good as idea if you want to do that, but
He's got the gloves on.
he's got gloves and a t-shirt and no helmet, so that's ideal. Yeah, so we drove for about an hour and a half or something, and we're here at Kingman. Yeah. Found a truck stop and we're cruising here for the night. It's about 10:30 now, and it's just cracked under 30 degrees. It's not as disgusting as 48 degrees at 4 p.m. today. Yeah, getting ready for another day. Tomorrow we're heading to the Grand Canyon.
Yeah.